Today I'm going to walk you through how to make these delicious puff pastry hot dogs. They're great for any sort of appetizer or main dish for dinner. My picky eater really loves them, and they bake in only 20 minutes in the oven. So let's get to it. So you want to start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then it's time to flour a large work surface and dust the dough with flour on both sides so it's easy to cut and move around. You want to cut it into 4 equal sections that should be wide enough to hold the hot dogs, and sprinkle that dough with a little garlic powder just to add some flavor. Then it's time to roll the hot dogs up through the center of the puff pastry, and you want to put the seal on the bottom and pierce the top with a fork to let out some steam as they cook. Now, these are going to get so much bigger than this, so make sure when you add them to the baking sheet that you leave some room in between. And when they're on the baking sheet, you want to brush them with a little egg wash, which is just a little bit of water mixed with egg white, and that's going to give it that crispy brown color as well. So the top, before you pop it in the oven, just sprinkle on some everything bagel seasoning. If you don't have that, you could use any sort of seeds you have, and then pop them in the oven. These are ready in about 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve them up with some honey mustard or ketchup. They're great for game day, great for kids' meals, great for a party appetizer. They're so simple to make. You can print out this recipe and other game day favorites at Sip Bite Go. And now just enjoy some beautiful puff pastry hot dog footage. Look how yummy. Cheers.